Okay, guys, let's get started. So, in the last session, yesterday we started our training, right? So, yesterday we did the overview session of Microsoft Intune. What is Intune, the historical background of Intune, right? I'm going to give you some more information today related to Intune. So, Intune is a Microsoft product. It started in the year 2010, right? Microsoft released this product for their clients in the year 2010. From 2010 to 2018, this was not good in the market, but from 2018, it started picking up the market and it's moving like a monster now. And after COVID-19, since people started working from home, so almost all big size and medium size organization, they have implemented this or implementing this Intune in their organization to manage their devices. So Intune does two things, right? We have discussed about it yesterday. MDM, mobile device management, and MAM, mobile application management. So in mobile devices management, what all devices it manages? It manages Windows 10, Windows 11, right? Then it can manage Android devices, iOS devices, iPad, Mac, MacBooks, right? Linux and Chrome OS. Chrome OS is still in preview mode right now, so you can, this will be in full-fledged management later on. But right now it is already managing Windows 10, 11, Android, iOS, iPad, Mac, Linux boxes. Okay. Now it can manage mobile applications as well, like Office 365 application or any other application. Okay. It can manage those applications. Now, we have discussed about the architecture of Intune, right? Yesterday, we have discussed about the licensing. Now, 1 minute. Okay, so the license cost is $8 per user per month. So if you have 8,000 users, I mean 1,000 users, you need to pay 8,000 USD to Microsoft, right? Now we are going to use the free trial one. We will go with Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Now, how many licenses we are gonna get? We will get 25 license. Now we will use this 25 license for 30 days plus 30 days. So after 30 days, this license will get expired, and then we will extend that to another 30 days. So total 60 days we can utilize this. Okay, Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Now, what is our plan? Our plan is to create a virtual machine. Yesterday we have already discussed about it on our laptop. Suppose this is your laptop. So you need to have minimum 4 core processor, then 6 GB memory, RAM, and minimum 100 GB free hard disk space, right? So when you have this configuration, you will be able to create a virtual machine inside your laptop. So this is your laptop, right? This is your laptop. Inside your laptop, we will create a virtual machine, and that machine will be enrolled to Intune. We will be enrolling that device to Intune, and we will be deploying the policies on that device from Intune. We will also enroll our mobile device like Android or iOS device to Intune, and then we will supply the policies on Android and iOS devices. I have a Linux box. If anyone wants to enroll Linux box, you can also download Linux operating system ISO image and create a Linux box and enroll that device to Intune. Okay, so that way we will see the practical environment, how we can enroll the devices and how we can manage devices from Intune. Okay. Now, so this Intune is basically configured on Microsoft Azure Data Center. Okay. So in Azure Data Center, in almost um, Azure Data Center is located in more than 50 countries now. Okay, so in every data center, almost every data center, right? Suppose this is a data center, Azure Data Center. Now inside this data center, you have multiple floors. It's a big building, right? Inside that building, you have multiple floors. On each floor, you have multiple rooms, you know, data center rooms. Okay. Now suppose these this room is dedicated to Intune. Okay. Now in that room, you will have multiple racks. These are called racks. Okay. Racks. Now inside that rack, you have servers, high configured servers, right? So the combination of more than one rack is called Azure Service Fabric Cluster. Okay, Azure Service Fabric Cluster. So if you have more than one racks, for example, 100 racks or 200 racks, let's assume that we have 200 racks here in India data center. Okay. So that's the combination of those 200 racks is called Azure Service Fabric Cluster. So Intune is basically configured on Azure Service Fabric Cluster. Okay. So when you create your subscription, suppose this is you and you create your Intune subscription, right? Now you are in India, for example, you are in India. So your subscription will get created where? In India data center, right? In India data center, because you are in India. So the closest location is India data center. If you are in US, your Intune subscription will get created in US data center. If you are in Europe, it will get created in Europe data center, right? So your subscription will get created in any one of these racks. And that rack will be, that space, you will be given a space. Suppose this is a space given to you. Nobody else will have permission to access that space. Only you will be able to access that space. Okay. So your Intune services will be running there and you will be managing devices and application from using that space. So Azure is present in almost 50 countries now, more than 50 countries. So depends on your location, it gives you the um, subscription. It gives you the space. If you're in India, you will get the space in India. Now, in today's session, what we are going to do, we need to download Oracle VirtualBox. Why we need to download Oracle VirtualBox? We need to download this to set up our lab environment. So we are going to set up our lab environment today. Okay, Intune lab. So we need to download this Oracle VirtualBox. That's the first thing. It will help you to create a virtual machine. Second, we need to download Windows 10 professional ISO image file. Okay, ISO. We need to download it from Microsoft website. Okay. Now, these two things are needed. If anyone wants to download Linux, I mean the Ubuntu operating system, then the ISO image, you can download that one. I'll guide you. Then after we download, we need to build a new Win 10 virtual machine. We need to build a new Windows 10 virtual machine, and that machine we will give 4 GB RAM to that machine. 4 GB RAM, 2-core processor, and we will give 80 GB hard disk space. So we are gonna give this configuration to our new virtual machine, and once the machine is ready, then we will be able to perform our practical tasks. Okay, and we will create our Intune subscription. So create Intune subscription. So for Intune subscription, you need a credit card. Okay, you need a credit card for Intune subscription, guys. Any question before we proceed further? All
Hi,
good?
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, just asking that can you create that Linux OS in the Oracle VirtualBox?
Yes, you can do that.
Okay, likewise Windows, right?
Yeah, like Windows. So as you see, this is my Oracle VirtualBox, right? And on my Oracle VirtualBox, let me open it again. You see, this is my Linux box, right? This is Ubuntu actually, which is
Okay,
running on Linux operating system. So you can build a new machine, and then you can enroll that device into Intune so that you can manage that device from Intune portal. So let me show you my Intune portal so that you will get some idea. So what all devices I have in my Intune portal. So Intune.my excuse me, Intune.microsoft.com devices, and all devices. Okay, so total I have 6 devices. So the first one is the Linux box I have, right? The second one Android device, third Android, fourth Android. The fifth one is Windows, and the sixth one is Windows. So in production environment, you will have thousands and thousands of devices. You know, some will be Android, some will be iOS, some will be Mac OS, some will be Linux devices. So just like this, I have only 6 devices, but in production, you will have thousands and thousands of devices, right? Okay, so let's get started. So I want somebody to share your screen, right? Um, who is using 2 monitors? Anyone using 2 monitors here?
Not me. Not me.
No one. Okay,
Not me.
fine. Now I want somebody to share his screen. Either Rehan or Toby, you can share your screen
Okay.
so that I'll guide you what you have to do. And side by side, you need to follow the same step. Other people, you have to follow the same step side by side. Now, in case if you are not able to perform the tasks side by side, you know, if it is getting difficult, then you can join this meeting on mobile as well. Okay, so on mobile you can watch, or you can join this meeting on your tab or any other laptop. So on that device you can watch, and on your laptop you can perform the task side by side. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is Toby. You have shared your screen.
Yes.
Okay, so Toby has shared his screen. Now I want everyone to follow the same step what we are doing on Toby's screen. Wait, let's open a notepad first. Toby, let's open a notepad. Hmm. Now type in Taking a lot of time to open Notepad.
Yeah, I didn't restart my
How much
computer for a couple of
memory?
days. Yeah, I
How
have a
much
lot of
memory and processor you have? Okay, fine.
uh,
Let's wait. Let's type in the today's date. That is 10th of
okay.
September. 10th September.
Mhm.
Now hit enter on the keyboard and point number 1. So 1 dot space. Hmm. Check system configuration. Now everyone is using Windows computer here. Anyone using MacBook? Nobody?
Windows.
Windows
Uh,
only.
Okay, good. Now check the system configuration, whether this system is eligible to set up our lab or not. Okay. So down at the bottom, you have a search box. Each one of you need to type in system information in the search box. System information. Close that. Type in system information and click on OK. Now in system information, we would like to see whether the system is eligible to set up the lab or not. The first thing, you see the operating system name, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. So either you have Windows 10 or 11, anything of your choice. So this is okay. Second, the processor. Click on processor. Now, the processor one is 8 core, 8 logical processor, right? So this is also sufficient because we need to have minimum 4 core processor. Now you have double 8 core processor. I mean 8 logical processor. Okay, so this is also okay. Now, how much memory you have? Installed physical memory. You need to click on that one, installed physical memory. That you have 32 GB. So 32 GB RAM. That's also okay because minimum you need 6 GB RAM, but you have 32 gigabyte of RAM. So this is all good. So this computer is eligible in terms of processor, memory, and operating system. Now we will check the hard disk size. Let's close this and open a folder, the file explorer. Yes, and go to this PC. This PC. Okay. Oh no. So this
No,
computer
no,
is
don't worry
not
about
eligible
no.
now.
Yeah, don't worry. But I have another computer that I'm working on, so this is just for to show.
Okay. Okay. Is it possible to free up some space here as well? At least like,
Right now, I can't delete anything.
okay.
Uh,
No, don't delete.
y-
You can
y-
move files from this computer to another computer using USB or something.
uh,
Not
yeah,
now, but later you can do it. Okay.
yeah. Later on, yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah,
So you need minimum 80 gigabyte free space, 80. Okay. So so check the system info configuration. So we have checked. So now the second one is so any drive like C drive or D drive, any drive need to have at least 80 gigabyte. Now the second point is we need to download. Let's download Windows 10 professional ISO image file. We need to download Windows 10 professional ISO image file. Okay, so let's go ahead and download it. So open Google Chrome browser and type in download Windows 10 ISO, hit enter. Click on the first link which says download Windows 10 disk image. Everyone, you have to follow this step. Okay. Now, when you reach to this website, you need to click on this download now. create Windows 10 installation media, need to click on download now, and it started downloading. So the media creation tool is downloaded. Okay, this is just a plugin which will help you to download the actual ISO file. Let's click on that, the one which is downloaded. Yes, click on yes. Okay, so we need to accept the license terms. Accept that. Himaja, are you on the same page?
Yes, Kashyap. I'm on the same page.
Okay. Now, why we are downloading this? We are downloading it to build a new Windows 10 machine, a virtual machine, right? So let's choose the second option, which says create installation media USB, the second one, and then click on next. Now we'll go with the default option, except the last one, which says use the recommended option for this PC. Let's uncheck that box, right? And then rest everything will remain as it is and go next. Now choose the second option, ISO file. Next. It's gonna ask you to choose the location where will you download it. So let's put it in the download folder and click on save. Okay, so the file is now getting downloaded. Now we need to download second file. Let's go back to the notepad. Point number 3, download Oracle VirtualBox. Now, why do we need to download Oracle VirtualBox? That will help us to create a new machine, a new Windows 10 machine. Okay. Download Oracle VirtualBox. Rehan, are you on the same page?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the browser and type in download Oracle VirtualBox. And click on the first link which says download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Running very slow. Poonam, are you on the same page?
Yes, Kashyap.
This one I think is
Poonam,
taking
what is
time.
your IT? I mean, what is your experience and background?
So I am from a non-technical background, working as a team lead in Cognizant.
Cognizant.
Yes.
Okay, and why do you want to learn Intune?
I just wanted to upgrade my skill,
Okay,
better opportunities.
okay. Dinesh,
This,
can you introduce yourself?
Sure, Kashif, I can. Right now, I'm traveling. Sorry to interrupt everyone. Yes, so currently I'm working in MSCI Services Private Limited as a service desk engineer.
Okay, and why do you want to learn
Yes,
Intune?
to upgrade myself.
Okay,
So
uh,
Kashif, I am
thank you
having
for
the
the
same issue
introduction.
of the bad
Yes,
gateway. What the Toby is having, that this error 502. Or you
okay, the same.
guys can download, or
Let
other
me
people?
check. Let me
Yeah,
check on
Even
same.
I'm
my
getting
my end.
502 bad gateway.
Same with me.
Yeah, I
Yeah, looks
already
like this
downloaded
website.
previously, so I can able to download it.
You downloaded what?
Yeah, I already downloaded Oracle VM VirtualBox.
Okay.
Are we are we
Let's do one
getting
thing. Wait a minute. Let's do one thing. Go back to the second link. Click on the second link. Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on the second link. Okay, and click on this Windows installer. Windows installer. Ah, okay. So it's downloading, I think, right? Hmm. Now let's go back to the notepad and write down the next step. Point number 4, install Oracle VirtualBox. Point number 4 is install Oracle VirtualBox. So we need a new computer, guys. Basically, that's the main reason. So in order to get a new computer, we can't purchase a new computer. So we can create a new virtual machine. You know, inside our laptop, we can build a new virtual machine. So install Oracle VirtualBox. Let's click on yes, the one which you downloaded.
Hello, sir. Actually, just wanted to ask you that I'm not able to send any message on this chat. Uh, is there any reason? Can you please add my email account?
You are not able to send message on this chat.
Yes.
Why do you want to send message here?
No, not really. Basically, I do not. Basically, I do not have access on this chat. I cannot download this meeting after
Okay,
complete
I
this
will.
meeting.
No, actually, we will use WhatsApp group. Okay, for
Okay.
our we can use WhatsApp group to do the chatting on that one. So I'll create a WhatsApp group today and add you in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's install this application. Let's go next and install. Yes.
Passes, I am getting installation failed, error fatal, error during installation. Any reason here?
Everyone using personal computer or
Yes.
office computer? Anyone using office computer here? No one, right?
Yeah.
No, I'm using
I,
it, but it's like a personal computer.
No, are you allowed to install all these things on your
Yes,
office
yes, yes,
computer?
yes, yes.
yes, yes,
This is this.
yes.
Yes, we are allowed. Yes.
Okay, because it could be a compliance issue, so I don't know. You
No,
have to check.
there is no security software. There is nothing in it. It's just a raw machine.
Okay. Now you need to try again. Those who are getting error, close the application and try installing again. And let me know what is the status.
So mine is working. The VirtualBox is Oracle VirtualBox Manager is installed.
Okay. Poonam, are you getting the issue?
I'm just trying again.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I'm getting the same pop-up.
Okay. Fine. I'll come back to you, Poonam, and take a look. Now let's add the point number 5. Build a new Windows 10 virtual machine. Build a new Windows 10 virtual machine. So let's go ahead and build a new virtual machine. So since we have downloaded it, this will help us to build a new Windows 10 virtual machine. So what we have to do is we need to click on new on the right hand side, new, click on new. Okay. Now in here we have to type in the name of the virtual machine. What will be the name? The name is going to be WINVM001, capital letter. Everything should be in capital letter. WINVM001. So it is WIN means Windows, VM means virtual machine, and 001. Okay. Now, which location? So C drive, D drive, anything of your choice. So we'll go with the default location. But in case if you don't have ample amount of space in C drive, then you have to change the location to D drive or E drive, whatever the drive you have with ample amount of space. So I'll go with that one. Now, ISO, we will leave that as it is blank. Now, type Microsoft Windows, version Windows 10, right? Then we have unattended install, expand that one. We'll leave that as it is, expand hardware. Now hardware, we will give 4 GB RAM to this machine. So 4097. Let's type in 4097. Okay, 4 GB and
So
2
4
core processor. 4096 is to actually 4 GB is 4096, but we are giving 1 MB greater than that, 4097. Now, and 2 processor. Okay, 2 processor. Now hard disk, let's give 80 GB hard disk, 80. Okay, 80 GB hard disk. Now click on finish. Okay, so the new machine is now ready to be built. Okay, let's click on the 3 dots you have in front of the machine. You have 3 dots. Click on 3 dots and choose details. Details. Now there is a section called storage. The fourth section from top. First is general, then system, then display, then storage. Yes. Now in in storage, the second option which says SATA port 1, okay, the second one which says SATA port 1, that is empty. So we have to attach the ISO image file. Let's click on empty, choose a disk file, cancel.
So mine is 90%,
Empty.
so I'm waiting.
That's okay. Empty. Choose a disk file and go to the download folder where you downloaded the Windows 10 ISO image file. So choose that Windows 10 ISO image file and open. Okay, we have connected the ISO image file. Now we have to go to the setting on the top. Let's click on the setting option. Now in setting, we need to go to system. Okay, in system, the section called TPM, which says none, right? Let's change that to version 2.0. So we will attach this TPM chip so that we will be able to enable the BitLocker on this machine to encrypt the hard disk of this machine. So that's the reason we need TPM. Second thing, we need to enable EFI secure boot. Let's enable that one, EFI secure boot. And the last one, enable secure boot. Yeah. Okay, so these options we have to enable. Let's click on OK. Now we need to power on the machine. But when you power on, a new window will come. Wait, don't power on now. So when you power on, a new window will come. Okay, a new window will come. The moment the new window will come, it will give you a message. Press any key to boot from CD disk. You will see that message. Press any key to boot from CD, DVD drive, something like that. So you need to click on that. You need to click inside that and hit any key on the keyboard, and that you have to do in fraction of second, quickly. Otherwise, it will, you will have to redo the process. So understand again, when you power on the machine, a new window will come, and that will say, press any key to boot the machine. The moment you see that message, you need to click inside that. When you're using the mouse, you need to click inside that box and then press any key on the keyboard quickly. Okay, let's do that. Let's click on start. Very good. Let's wait for a few seconds for the new window to come. New window came already, but I think you clicked on somewhere, so it is, yeah, that is the one. Click on that. Yeah, very good. It's now going to the next step. This is going to help us to build a new machine. So this is our test machine. This is going to be our test machine. We will be deploying policies on this machine. We will be deploying application on this machine. We will be deploying updates on this machine, right? Click on next. Install now.
So, Kashif, I'm a little bit behind. So once you finish with Toby, then I want you to just help me out.
Okay. Click on I do not have a product key. Choose Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. choose the second option, custom, and next. Okay, so this is how you do the build a new machine. Okay.
So Kashyap, I attached the ISO with the
Wait.
empty thing.
Share your screen. Rehan, you share your screen. I will take a look.
Okay. Okay. So can you see? So I attached the ISO
Click on setting,
settings. Okay.
system.
System.
You haven't enabled the TPM.
Enable
That is still
BPM.
none.
So okay. 1.0 to 1.2.
2.0.
2.0. Okay.
Enable EAFI.
Enable
Enable
secure.
secure boot. Click OK. How much space you have in C drive and D drive? Can you show
No,
me?
130 40 GB. I think I have it. I can show you.
Okay, 141 gigabyte. Okay, that's good. Close it. Now,
What would be the SATA port?
SATA port 1, you need to connect the ISO image file, the one which you downloaded. That will be empty, right? You need to connect that one. Now start the machine, and when you start it, you will get a new window. Don't click anywhere. Just wait for the new window to come. Now, yeah, click on that. Now you need to press any key quickly.
Yeah, I'm doing this. Oh, sorry, I'm attempting too many times. So I have to do it to start again.
Yes, restart again. Power again. Power on again. Yeah, power off. You need to click inside the black window first and then press any key. Okay, click inside the black
Okay.
window when it comes. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, now press inside. Yeah, very good. Next. Install now. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms. Next. Custom.
Yes.
Next.
Next.
Yeah. Okay, Poonam, you share your screen.
Kasif, my laptop is acting a bit weird. I'll have to get it checked
Okay.
because
Anybody else facing any issues? Subhajit,
Yeah,
are you on the same page?
yeah, my Windows 10 is installing on VM.
Himaja, what is your
Yeah,
status?
same with me, Kashyap. My Windows
Huh?
10 is
Same.
yeah.
Pankaj?
Yeah, Kasip, can I share my screen? Actually, I
Yes.
late joined.
When did you join?
I have already, Kasip, I have
Do you
already
have
made.
Windows 10? Do you have Windows
No,
10 ISO image file?
yes.
Where is that? Show me.
Mm, my screen is visible, na, Kasip?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. These are,
Okay, that's the enterprise one. We need to have the professional one, okay? Not the enterprise one.
okay.
Okay. So go ahead and download. Let's download Windows 10. Yeah, type in download Windows 10. Windows 10 ISO. Click on the first link. Scroll down. Click on download now. Okay, it's downloaded. Click on that. Double click on this. Accept. Second option. Next. Uncheck the box. Go back. Uncheck the box. Go next. Uncheck the box.
Okay.
Next. ISO. Next. Choose download folder. Windows 10 Pro. Save. Dinesh, what is your status? Are you doing it?
Hey, no, not right now. I'm traveling, so I'll do it later on today.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll share the recording with you guys. You can do it later
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Is the machine ready, Toby?
It's still installing. Do you want me to share my screen? It's
Yes,
doing
share
installing
your
update.
screen.
Yeah.
Rehan, what is your status?
Yes, my
Is the
installing
machine
is
ready? Is the machine ready for anyone?
not yet.
Yeah, it's showing getting ready.
Share your screen, Subhajit.
Okay. Yes, sir. Is it
Okay.
visible?
Yes. Okay, so you are a little ahead than other people. Yes. You all need to follow this step, guys. You have to choose the keyboard. Yes. Skip.
This we need to select a setup for personal use.
No, organization. Wait,
Organization.
we will, I will let you know what you have to choose.
Okay, I will wait.
So it's a new laptop, right? Let's assume that you have received a new laptop from organization and you have turned it on. Now this laptop is setting up for the first time. And we need to enroll that laptop into Intune portal. Okay, guys, you have to choose the second option which says setup for an organization and next. Okay, when you come to this stage, you need to take a snapshot, guys. Okay, so this is the stage um, we are right now, and we have to take a snapshot so that in case something goes back, we can come back to this stage anytime in the future. So let's go to Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Okay, so the machine which is turned on right now, the last machine, green one, click on the three dots in front of the machine and choose a snapshot. And now click on take on the top and type in blank machine, and click on OK. Okay, guys, I don't want you to miss any class, guys. No absence, please. Okay. So
Okay, it's done.
the machine is, we have taken the snapshot of this machine. So in the future, if you would like to come back to this stage, we can come back to this screen again. Now, we need to take the Intune subscription. Okay. So let's go to Google Chrome browser.
Yeah,
And
I already
okay, you
activated this.
already have it. Toby, you share your screen. Now, point number 6, Toby, write down the point number 6. Take Intune subscription. You need to take Intune subscription. So let's type in Intune free trial in Google. Type in Intune free trial. Everyone, click on the first link. Try Microsoft Intune for free. And then you need to click on sign up for Microsoft Intune for free trial. Okay, and then click on Intune setup account page. Have you created Intune account before, Toby?
Yes, but no, I don't want to use this account. I made another account for it. Use different
Yes.
account.
So click on log out.
Uh,
You have to log
yeah,
out.
this one.
Go back.
Oh.
Have you already created Intune account?
No.
Type
It's
in
logging out. Okay, so I'm going to do that again.
Type in Intune free trial. Click on that. Sign up. Yeah, Intune setup account page. Open Edge
Let me
browser.
do it.
Open Edge browser. Actually, you did not sign out. That's the reason it's coming up.
Yeah, I was going to do it in incognito mode, but
Incognito,
yeah.
Yeah, you can use incognito as well. That's not a problem. So Intune free trial. Sign up for Microsoft Intune for free trial and then click on setup account page. Log out and create a new account. Okay, incognito.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Intune free trial. So type in your email address next. Now, if you have already used a credit card, which you have used before, right? It will not allow you to use the same credit card. You will have to have a new credit card, new phone number, new email address. Setup account. Type in your first name, middle name, last name, job title.
Is the company name is like mandatory to enter the
Yes.
company name? Yes. Okay.
Type in anything of your choice. Yeah.
Okay.
Company size, anything. You know, where are you located right now? Canada?
Yes, Canada.
Yes.
Choose Canada there. Next. Send verification code on the phone number. Enter the verification code here and verify. Now here, wait. Username is a little lengthy, right? It's first name and last name together. Just keep first name there, Toby, as username. Domain, either you can go with this one or anything else. So that's okay. You can go with that one. And password, anything of your choice.
So the domain name, it's okay with this? Like it doesn't matter, right?
Does not matter. Yeah. Try to keep short and simple. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Domain is what? Your space, your property. Nobody else will have permission to access your domain. Now
Okay,
here
okay.
it will wait. Here it will ask you for credit card details and then you have to go next. So unshare, stop sharing and type in your credit card details and all.
Don't.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, stop sharing. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and put your details, your credit card, your address detail, security code, and go next. You have to give the correct information there.
Okay.
Those who are in India, it might ask you for PAN card as well. So you need to give the PAN card details there, PAN card number, the tax ID number.
Okay, so I proceed to the next page, right?
Yeah. You can share the screen again when you went to the next screen.
Okay. It says please check your details. Something went wrong. Okay. 4296.
Okay.
Okay, let me just try another card. Not allow me on my first card. Okay.
So mine is done. It says thank you for signing up Microsoft Intune Plan 1 trial.
Okay.
So I have to stop
Very
or
good.
get started.
Make a note of your Intune username. That
Okay.
will be your email address, I think. You know, your name at
Yes.
domain.onmicrosoft.com.
Oh, exactly. Yes.
Make a note of that one on a notepad somewhere.
It's not going to the next page.
What
But
is
mine is
the
okay.
message you are getting?
It's just like sign in about you, and then I did this. I already added my credit card.
Mm-hmm.
And I clicked on save. So
What does it say?
yeah, I shared my screen already. So this is the this is the one. Yeah. So clicking on save, and it's not going to complete and get started. So, but it's showing this
We
sign
need
up
to
for.
verify your identity using credit card or debit card. Your card is only used for verification purposes and won't be charged. And the payment option you have saved your current. Okay.
Yeah, I already
Save.
entered yeah, I clicked on save. Nothing is happening.
Nothing happens.
Yeah.
But mine is okay. It says get started. Mine is complete.
Can you refresh? Can you refresh the whole page on the top?
Yeah.
Refresh.
Oh, okay. Let me just add it again then. I think. Okay.
Stop sharing.
Yeah.
If you want, I can share my screen, but let everybody on the same page first.
Yeah.
So Kashif, this is
Mm-hmm.
just the information of the credit card they are taking, but they are not charging the money. They're just keeping the information, right?
They are keeping the information. So in case if you would like to continue, okay,
Yeah,
tomorrow,
yeah.
for example, if you would like to continue using Intune, then they will start charging from your credit card.
After
I mean,
30 days,
after 60 days, yeah.
60 days. All right. Okay. And how much it will be charged? Like if it's like after 60 days?
$8 per month.
$8 per month. Okay.
So the subscription, paid subscription will automatically charge or it will notify us?
No, you will have to convert the subscription from free trial to pay as you go account. You have to change the subscription.
Okay, Kasif, I added like two credit cards and it's taking me to the same page, like add payment method, and it's like not going forward.
Share your screen. Excuse me. On the top, click on accept, save. Doesn't do anything.
It doesn't do anything. Yeah. I've already added like two of the credit cards and like it's just going to this page and just not going forward.
Okay.
So, let me try on my other laptop.
Type in, click on, no,
Yeah.
click on the plus sign.
Plus sign where?
On the top, you have the plus sign. I mean the new tab.
Oh, okay.
Type in intune.microsoft.com. Type in your first name, Toby, at what domain you have chosen. Yeah, I think it's 022, right?
Yeah.
Dot on Microsoft.com. On Microsoft.com. Next. Password.
Yeah, I think it's working.
No, wait. Multi-factor authentication required. Okay. Now click open a new tab. Go back to the Intune portal, sorry, Intune portal, and go to tenant administration. Tenant administration. Did you get the license or not? No, you have not. Okay, so type in admin.microsoft.com, a new tab. Admin.microsoft.com. Click on billing at the left hand side.
Wait, Toby. Okay. Billing.
Billing.
Yes. Yes.
Choose your products. No, okay. Payment method. Click on payment method.
Oh, it added both my
Both,
master. Okay.
okay. Now click on marketplace at the left hand side.
Marketplace. Yes.
Now click on all products and search Intune at the right hand side. Intune. Scroll down little bit. Scroll down little bit. Wait a minute. Intune, Microsoft Intune Plan 1. Right? You see the Microsoft Intune Plan
Yeah.
1.
Here, this one. Oh, the device or this one. Okay.
Yes.
Details I click on.
Yeah. Choose start free trial. Okay, you have to add the address, right? Okay, click on continue. Add your address detail. Click on edit. Type in your address here. Proper address. Okay. Go back to marketplace. All products. Intune. Search. Intune Plan 1. Details. Start free trial. Try now. Wait for a few seconds.
Okay.
Continue. Go to billing. Licenses. Okay, Intune 25
Yes.
license. Okay. Make a note of this username and password.
Yes.
Okay. Toby at
Yeah. At pet value.
domain
Yes.
022.onmicrosoft.com. Everyone, make a note of your Intune email address and password, guys, and send this to everyone. Toby, I mean, send
Okay.
it to me on WhatsApp group. To me on WhatsApp. I'll create a WhatsApp group today, and
Okay.
then send it to everyone. We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Any question before we wrap it up?
No, that's all.
No, we are good. We are good.
You need to take a snapshot as well.
Who, me?
Okay. Now,
Okay.
those who have
Oh, yes.
already taken, you don't have
Oh,
to take it again.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
We'll meet tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Kaushik. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye now.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.